Okay, we'll start on this one. We might as well do those as well. Figure 4 shows the Weath, Hampstead to Shaw's Corner circular walk. I think I got that right. The walk stops at the places that are numbered on the map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In the space below, draw a schematic. So a schematic is like the London Underground map here. Dead simple. So look, everything's really either horizontal, vertical or diagonal. So we're going to be doing something similar. Let's see if we can keep it as simple as possible though. It doesn't really look like it needs anything that's diagonal. I'm just going to highlight the path. So it looks like the path goes across, down and across. It goes up, and then we've got an intersection, so we need to put that in. It goes across, it goes up, goes across, goes down. So I've simplified the path there straight away. So let's just draw that. So it's a schematic, so we've got, that's that bit, crosses over, and that's that bit. Where possible, try and stay in the box, so because I'm probably going to have to label one or two of these, they're not stations but stops. Just bring it in a little bit. Something like that's fine. So we've got to number them. So we've got 1 down in the corner, 2, right, 3's up here a little bit. We've got 4. It goes across to 5. Got to remember with schematics, the distances are relevant, the geography is irrelevant, just like on the London Underground map. 6, 7's down on the bottom somewhere. There we go. Okay. Oh, and we've got 8. It goes then down to here. Okay, so I've penciled them in. I've got my route. The walk stops to place number of the map. The space below, draw a schematic map for the walk in the style of the modern London Underground. Well, the thing the Underground has is it has the labels. So we've got, I'll do these in pen, but I'll just do the first one. Cross Cod Icoti. Weird name, road. So I've labelled it. And the other thing that I might have to do is add like the direction of travel. So just added a little direction of travel so people following it. Like, all right, I see. So that's that. Let's double check. The walk stops at the places numbered on the map. Yep. Need to label those in the space below schematic. The walk stop. Right. Let's pen it in. Right, done it. And then here's the path. Top marks. The only thing I haven't done is the labels, so cross. Try and stay in the box. If you can't, don't worry about it. Shaw's Corner. Okay, so I'd need to label them all. I'll do one more, Kissing Gate. Etc, etc. So I'd label them all. There we go, top marks. What's this say? Complete your new schematic map in the box above by adding a shortcut which misses out stop 3, okay, and stop 4. Oh, well, it's got to go to stop 5 then, hasn't it? So it must be something like that, shortcut. Okay, let's just double check. So 1, 2, skips 3, skips 4, straight to 5. So there's a shortcut there. So I've just added that as a shortcut as well. Again, can add a little directional line on there. There we go, top marks. I'll tell you what, actually, before we finish that one, let's just have a look at these questions. So, who designed the London Underground? Harry Beck, which is featured as the designers in the design section. Section 6, 2A, is it? Something like that. Describe the graphical differences between the two maps. Okay, well, we've got straight lines. So the London Underground map. The Underground map on the right. Okay, it's 3 marks, so uses straight lines, 1 mark. Has been simplified, 2 marks. Has a clear white background, 3 marks. Does not use accurate geographical distances, 'Has removed unnecessary, if I spell that right, hang on, unnecessary detail. Okay, give 2 advantages of a modern schematic. Well, it's easy, quick to work out. Why? It's so simple. So simple and not confusing. Well, also as well, if we print this small, we're not going to lose detail. This one we will. So no loss of detail when printed small. It's the same reason logos are dead simple, so that when you make them really, really tiny, like the Nike symbol, you can stick it on the side of a pencil and you can still work it out. So all this detail, it just get claustrophobic and crushed together and merged. So there you go, full marks for that as well.